Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Vivo Y16, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life. Okay, so let's start by turning off all unnecessary running services. So open your control panel and take a look closer of all the items. If you are not using Wi-Fi right now, but only using the mobile network, then disable the Wi-Fi. If you are only using Wi-Fi but not using the mobile network, then disable the mobile network. This will save your battery power as the phone will not search for an unused networks. If you have a choice of using Wi-Fi or mobile data, choose the Wi-Fi because Wi-Fi contains less battery power. Okay, next pay attention to Bluetooth. If Bluetooth is enabled, it temporarily looks for newbie devices. So if you are not use Bluetooth right now, just disable it. Okay, so nextly, reduce your screen brightness. Screen consumes a lot of battery power, so just reduce the brightness of your screen and it will save your battery life. Okay, moving on, Android has geolocation services enabled by default, so disable it if you don't use it now and click close. If you have no location services in your control panel, so just click on pencil button and add location services from the bottom part of your screen to the app. And great. Next step is enabling the power saving mode. To enable power saving mode, open settings, then scroll down, choose battery, scroll down again. Here you will have battery saver. Okay, and here you can enable battery saver mode. So battery saver mode, it's a really great mode to save your battery life because in this phone your phone uses less RAM, which means less battery power. In addition, power saving mode reduces the runtime when the screen is on, and the brightness of the screen is also reduced. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.